So for our Tutti Frutti cake, first I'm going to lightly brush my cake tin. I'm using a 5 by 5-inch cake tin. I'm going to just brush it with some butter, and then I'm just going to line it with my butter paper. Since it's a round cake tin, I'm first going to cut the base, and then just whatever paper is left, just do the edges too. And then I'm going to just brush the base of it again with some little bit of butter and set this aside. Now I'm going to separate 3 eggs. Now I'm going to add half a teaspoon of vanilla essence to the egg yolks, and I'm going to whisk it really well. Now I've taken 125 grams of powdered sugar, and I'm going to add half of it first and then whisk it in well with the egg yolks and the vanilla essence, and then all the remaining powdered sugar, and whisk it for about 3 minutes till you get this very pale yellow, almost pale white color, and then set that aside. Now we're just going to whisk the egg whites till they're nice and foamy, and now we're going to add this yolk, vanilla essence and sugar mixture to the egg whites. Now whisk it all well. Now I'm going to add 125 grams of butter, which I've kept at room temperature, and again mix that in well. Now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of milk and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Once that is all done, I'm just going to add 125 grams of plain flour maida, a little at a time, and now I'm going to fold it in. And now set this aside. Now I've taken about 50 grams of Tutti Frutti, and I'm just going to take 4 tablespoons of corn flour, and I'm going to just roll it in the Tutti Frutti. What happens is that this will evenly let the Tutti Frutti spread around the entire cake, and it won't just sink to the bottom. So this is a very important step. Just roll the Tutti Frutti into some corn flour. Now preheat your oven to 200 degrees for 10 minutes and pour this into our prepared cake tin. Just tap it down a bit. And now we're going to bake this at 200 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. Now our cake is all ready, but let it cool completely. Now we're going to check if the cake is done. So just insert a knife, and if it comes out clean, your cake is completely done. And now it's time to demold it once it has completely cooled down. So just roll a knife at the to the edges so that it loosens up, and just invert it like this. Take off all your baking paper, and you can see all the Tutti Fruttis evenly spread all over the cake. That's because we rolled it in corn flour. Doesn't that look really beautiful? And this cake is so soft and so moist and so delicious. You guys have to give it a try. Today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye, and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.